So just by way of background, I am the Group Executive Legal for UMS. I have been qualified as an attorney or an admitted attorney for 15 years, with 17 years with my articles. I was one of the first lawyers who came about when the MPRDA, or Mineral Resources Development Act, came out. So I think that was quite a milestone. I trained at one of the top tier law firms, Rutledge Medici at that time, and I've moved into listed companies since then, namely Questra. I was at MCC's mining division, and now at UMS as a group executive. During UMS, I manage the legal department, and I manage all the legal matters, which goes from the design, engineering, procurement, through to construction and shaft sinking, usually FIDIC White Book or FIDIC Red Book. Manage all the general legal matters, not so much labour as we have Gunther and SB, but otherwise in general, negotiating, implementing, reviewing all the contracts. A very project role, getting to know the business and relating to projects right from the beginning all the way to fruition and completion. Well, this position has been great for me. I started off as the head of legal group, legal counsel, and I've now moved to the group executive. I think my role is there's a lot more responsibility, and you've got to manage a lot more risk. People look to you for correct and accurate legal advice and to manage the legal risk in the business. But you also have a voice that gets to be heard, and people definitely respect you and listen to you. I think for South Africa, the times have changed and there's a lot more opportunity for women. So for example, I've attended WIMSA with one of my colleagues, Taklani Randima, and you could see from there that there were opportunities for women, whether it be a director, whether it be as a shareholder, joint venture partner. They offer your career fairs, networking and mentoring, and that allows women to get involved into the mining sphere. Obviously, legal is a bit different because you've got to have the marks at university, you've got to find a good mentor and get into a good law firm. And if you can do that, I think the world is your oyster. I think knowledge and education. I think people need to understand that mining is one of South Africa's richest resources, and it's not taken down to a school level where women understand what is mining. Is it just for men? Is it for women? Can women get into the role? And how do you go about getting into that role? What qualifications can you obtain? And what networking is there available for women such as WIMSA? I think, again, education. See what qualifications you can get. Speak to people in the industry. Speak to people in law firms if you want to be a lawyer. Speak to women in companies such as UMS. What is their experience? What are your goals? What are your aspirations? And determine where you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years and where you'd like to be. Attend the seminars. Attend the mentoring campaigns. And also know that you've got to be involved in technology and the way forward, because companies need you to add value now and not just be an employee.